Excuse me, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
What do you recommend?
Our burger is very popular.
Okay, I'll take one burger, just one.
Sure. Anything to drink?
Just water, please. I'm on a diet.
All right. One burger and water.
I'm serious this time. I'm eating healthy.
Just one burger.
Yes, only one.
Here you go.
Wait, why are there 3 burgers?
You said one burger 3 times.
No, I said one burger.
Oh, my mistake.
Actually, it's okay.
I thought you were on a diet.
The diet starts tomorrow. Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
That was really good.
Yeah, I only ordered something small.
Same. This should be cheap.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
What happened?
Why is this so expensive?
Let me see. Oh, you ordered extra cheese, extra fries, and dessert,
That was just a little extra.
and 3 drinks.
I was thirsty.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but I think there's a mistake.
Let me check. No mistake. Everything is correct.
Oh, okay.
So, how are we paying?
You invited me, right?
What?
I thought this was your treat.
No way.
We also accept split payment.
Oh, thank you. That saves our friendship. Wait, something is wrong.
What happened?
I think I don't have enough money.
Stop joking.
I'm not joking.
How much do you have?
$10.
10? The bill is like 60.
I thought you were paying.
No, you said, I'll pay today.
No, I said, maybe I'll pay.
Why did you order so much food?
Excuse me, you ate more than me.
You ordered extra fries.
You ordered dessert.
You ordered 3 drinks.
I was thirsty. Okay, think.
Call someone.
No, that's embarrassing.
Use your card.
No money in my account.
Are you ready to pay?
Almost. Just 1 minute.
We're in trouble.
Okay, new plan.
What plan?
You go to the bathroom and disappear.
No way. I'm not leaving you.
Fine, then I'll go.
Hey,
So, how would you like to pay?
Actually,
just tell him.
we don't have enough money.
No problem.
Really?
You can help wash dishes in the kitchen.
What?
Next time, we eat at home. This is the worst day of my life.
Wash faster.
I didn't come here to work.
You didn't come with money either.
I can't do this anymore.
Just keep going. We're almost done.
You said that 20 minutes ago.
Time feels longer when you're working.
Hey,
My whole life is tired.
my hands are tired.
You two are actually doing a good job.
Really?
Yes, fast and very clean.
See? I told you.
So can we go now?
Actually, I have an idea.
What idea?
We need workers here.
Wait, what?
A job.
At least we'll get free food.
No, I'm never coming back here again.
You said that you're still here. Do you want a job?
Free food?
Yes.
I accept.
What? I just wanted a burger.
Now you got a full-time job.